So what do you guys think about these contact lenses?
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. And here on our channel, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you consider hitting the red subscribe button and clicking the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I'm loving the engagement. Now let's talk about these contacts that I also got. These are the Colorcl Siesta Iris Hazel contact lenses, so keep on watching. For the price, they were about 15 to 16 bucks. Took about 2 weeks to come, and now here are the specs. I'm gonna throw them up on the screen for you. And I'm also gonna show you how they look on the model on the website, on the Colorcl website. Make sure you check out their website. I'll also put a link to it in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. Here's how they look. So now let me tell you guys about the color. Once again, as I mentioned in the previous video that I did, I'll link it in the cards right here where I reviewed the Colorcl Crystal Edition Iris Khaki contact lenses. These are their most natural line. I cannot stress that enough. They are super natural. I'm very interested to know if anyone who has dark eyes, like dark brown eyes, I'm very interested to know how these would look on your eyes, because these are how they look on my eyes in room lighting. Now these are how they look in natural light or with the sunlight. So you guys judge for yourselves. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about these contact lenses? I absolutely love natural contact lenses. They have this light brownish, amberish mixed with my own light brown eyes. They look absolutely stunning. You cannot even tell, even if you are standing like this close to me, so up close to me, you can't even tell that I'm wearing contacts. These are you can't even tell I'm wearing contact lenses. I absolutely love them. I am so happy that Colorcl came out with a line like this, because sometimes, you know, you don't want to always be bam bright in people's faces with your contacts. So I feel like these look absolutely stunning. The contrast with my own light brown eyes, it just gives them a little bit of oomph, and they will look beautiful with any makeup look. Or if you're like going to work and you're working in corporate, or you're working in a place where you don't really want to draw too much attention to yourself, if you just wear mascara and these lenses, I feel like you will just look absolutely beautiful, and you'll blend in and not look so bam in your face with contact lenses, you know what I mean? So that's what I love the most about this line. It is perfect for beginners, or those of you who are just starting out and maybe don't know what kind of colored contact lenses you want to get. You maybe want to try a few out or experiment with a few. I think this is the perfect line for you. I love this line, and I have lots of contact lenses. If you have these lenses, are you interested in purchasing them? What are your thoughts? Of course, drop me a comment down below. I love to hear what you guys think. I always love to hear what you guys think about contact lens reviews and what kind of lenses you want to see me get next. I want to try getting the iris green next. It was suggested by a viewer or a subscriber in one of my previous videos, so I definitely want to check those out and see how they contrast with the Iris Khaki. I'm also interested in trying the Colorcl. They have a new Halo line, but I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about it, but maybe I'll buy a pair and see, like review them for you guys and see how they are. I have a few more reviews coming up. Let me know in the comment section down below what are the contact lenses you want to see. Enjoy the pics and clips that I'm going to leave for you here. And don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Follow me on my social medias. I usually put them throughout my video and in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. And I will see you all very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Here's the pics and clips.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong. And I've been counting.
Also, don't forget to check out these two videos right here. It's a playlist and it's my previous video and the video at the end. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.